Hello and welcome to today's episode. Today, we are going to talk about something very important. Many English learners say, I want to learn English. I am listening podcasts, learning vocabulary, but I am not improving fast. If you feel this way, this video is for you. We will explain why this happened with you. Today, I will explain 5 important reasons why English feels slow. And please, don't miss the final point. Don't skip. The last point may completely change your mindset. Let's begin. Point 1. You expect fast results. The first reason is simple. You expect fast results. Not only you, 90% expect the same. Remember one very important thing. Learning English is not a 7-day challenge. It is a long-term skill. Let's understand this point with some real-life examples. Example 1. You join the gym. After 5 days, you look in the mirror. No big change. So you think, gym doesn't work. But muscles need months. English is the same. Example 2. A student studies English for 2 weeks. Then she says, I still can't speak fluently. But think about this. You studied your native language for years as a child. Example 3. Someone watches 10 YouTube lessons, then expects to speak like a native speaker. That's unrealistic. Example 4. You learn 50 new words this week. Next week, you forget 20. You feel disappointed, but forgetting is normal. Review is part of learning. If you expect slow progress, you will never feel frustrated. Point 2. You don't get enough input. This is a very powerful reason. You don't get enough input. Input means listening and reading. Your brain needs repetition. Let's also understand this point with some real-life examples. Example 1. You listen to English only 10 minutes per day, but you watch 2 hours of content in your native language. Which language will grow faster? Example 2. You study English only before exams, then you stop. Language needs daily contact. Example 3. You avoid English movies because they are difficult, so your ears never train. Example 4. You don't listen to English podcasts while walking, cooking, or traveling. Small daily exposure creates big change. If you want fast improvement, increase your daily English input. Even 30 to 60 minutes daily changes everything. And remember, don't miss the final point. Don't skip, because this changes everything. The truth. Here is the truth. English feels slow until suddenly it doesn't. One day you realize you understand movies better. You speak without translating. You think in English. Progress is invisible at first. Then one day it becomes visible. Consistency beats speed. Small daily effort beats short motivation. If you practice daily for 6 months, you will shock yourself. Now I want to ask you something. Which point do you want to focus on? 1. Expecting fast results. 2. Not enough input. 3. Fear of mistakes. 4. Comparing yourself. 5. Learning passively. Comment below. Be honest, and starting today, take action. Practice daily. Speak without fear. Be patient. If this video helped you, please subscribe for more tips. We post new listening practice every week to help you build your English habit step by step. Keep listening, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next episode.